You're going to need aloe vera, virgin coconut oil, shea butter, and a jar to put it all in. Aloe vera has antifungal properties and is very soothing. Coconut oil contains 3 fatty acids, which is beneficial to restoring dry skin. Raw shea butter is loaded with natural nutrients like vitamin A and E and also helps to reduce inflammation. So take your aloe vera, add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera into a cup. Add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, make sure it's the virgin kind, and 1 tablespoon of raw shea butter. Mix it all really well. Once you have it nicely blended, transfer to a jar and you're good to use. Now comes the fun part. Soak your feet for about 15 minutes in salt water. Salt helps with the circulation and it has antibacterial properties that helps with healing. Just add 1/4 cup to the bucket of water or your foot soaker. Apply the cream to your heels. Take a pair of old socks and cut the heels out. I cut this one here and I can just wear this overnight. Or you can use gel socks. These socks I got from I guess the pharmacy department, and what they are, they're gelled, so the gel keeps the moisture in.